and being delivered to you by teacher Shaba Frederick. So in this lesson, I expect you to actively participate. When we ask, you should be able to respond, because we expect you to participate in this lesson for you to learn better. So today, our main aim is going to be on LCM, the common factors and multiples. And within here, we are going to see how to get the lowest common multiple, or as we call least common multiple, and then the highest common factors. So last time we looked at factors and multiples of numbers. Who can remind us of what a factor is? Factors of a number?
2.
Who can remind us of what they are? Yes, Sad.
2.
2. So 2 is a factor of what? Yes? Yes, Cedric?
What is the question? I have just joined.
We talked about numbers last time, factors and multiples. So I was asking, what is a factor? Or what are factors? Yes, Sad?
Factor is a number that you get after multiplying two same numbers.
After multiplying. Okay, that one is a multiple, a number we get after multiplying two numbers. And then the numbers we have multiplied.
Two same.
And then the numbers we multiply are the ones we call factors. The numbers we multiply to give us another number are the ones we call factors. Okay, Claire. Claire, can you hear me? Claire? Subi?
Yes.
Okay, Claire, read for us this first statement that begins a number.
A number can have one or two more factors. For example, 2 and 4 are common factors to 8 and 12.
Okay, thank you. So we are saying a number can have one or more factors. For example, we are saying 2 is a factor of 8 and at the same time a factor of 12. 4 is a factor to 8 and at the same time a factor to 12. So I'm saying that one happens, the number can have one or more factors. So 12 and 8 have some factors in common. So what are factors of 8? Factors of 8. Who can list for us those factors? Factors of 8.
Two, 4, 8.
2, 4, 8. Thank you. You have forgotten one of them.
1, 2, 4, 8.
1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, thank you. 1, 4, 2, 8. And then who can tell us the factors of 12? Yes, Laura.
1,
Mm,
2,
yes.
3, 4, 6,
Yes.
and 12.
Thank you very much. 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. So are we seeing some factors appearing in both of them, in both sets? Are we able to see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So which ones are appearing in both?
1, 2,
Mm,
and 4.
So we have 1, 2,
3.
and 4. Okay. So those ones are appearing in both factors of 12 of 8 and factors of 12. Okay.
Yes.
So me here I had forgotten a 1. So it is 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, and 4, which are the common factors. Okay. But now here, remember we started by saying we want to look at the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor here among these common factors?
4.
4. So we can say 4 is the highest common what? Factor. So highest common factor is that factor that is highest in the common what? Factors. Is there an alternative way of getting the 4? Is there an alternative way? So we don't have an alternative of getting a 4. Okay, we shall look at it later. So we are now going to do an activity, all of us here. And that activity involves us finding the highest common factors of the following. So I hope you have a pen and a paper and maybe a calculator nearby. So our first activity, we are finding the highest common factors of the following. So number 1, 54 and 48. So we are finding the highest common factors. So let us give ourselves a maximum of 2 minutes to do number 1. And after we raise up our hands and give our answers. Yes, Jen.
Yes, please. So I'm going to, so the lesson started.
Yes.
Will be, her name is Shalom.
Yes, come again.
I communicated. Her name is Shalom, senior one.
Shalom.
So you said there's a math class now?
Yes, yes, we are in a math class now.
She can join?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, Shalom. Go ahead. Okay.
Okay. Shalom, you are welcome. So we are on finding the highest common
So she just listen,
factors. Yes.
Okay.
You can remove the video because of data. Yes.
Okay. Okay, we can hear.
Okay.
All right.
So we were on highest common factors, finding the highest common factors. That is where we have reached. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let us hear from Hannah. Your answers, please.
The highest common factors of 54 are 2, 3, 3, and 3. Then what?
2.
3.
Come again.
3.
Yes.
3. Again 3.
So no, you say it once. If it is appearing 2 times, we write it once.
3 times.
Okay.
My answer is 3. The highest common factor is 3.
Yeah, your answer is 3. Okay. Any other? Martha?
The highest common factor of 54 and 48 is 3.
Is 3. Okay, thank you. Any other? Okay, so we are saying the highest common factor is 3. So Martha, can you tell us how you got your answer? Yes.
I divided 54, then I used the ladder method. Okay.
The other method?
Yes.
Okay, like this?
Yeah.
So all of them, if we divide by 2, and all of them divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes, so we divide by 2. What do we get? 54 divided by 2? 22.
27.
27.
Yes.
Then 48 divided by 2?
24.
24.
24.
24. Okay. So we get another number that is divisible by all of them. So which number can divide 27 and 24? 3.
3.
So 27 divided by 3 gives us?
9.
9. 24 divided by 3 gives us
8.
8. Okay, so meaning this, our answers are supposed to be highest common factor, so here when we use the ladder method, we multiply these ones, we multiply the 2 and 3. Okay,
Yes.
so it's going to be 2 times 3, and this gives us
6.
6. So when we use the ladder method, we find in the ladder method the numbers that can go, the prime numbers that can go in 54 and the 48 as well. So the number we divide must be divisible by, so this 27 should be divisible by 3, and 24 should also be divisible by 3. So once it is not divisible, then we don't use it here. Okay, so for highest common factor, so let us still use the same method to find the number 2. Okay, so we still draw our ladder. So we have 42, then 63, and then 105. So which number can we divide by all these numbers? Is it divisible by all these numbers?
3.
Laura, 3? So 42 divided by 3 gives us
14. 21.
divided by 3. 42
14.
divided by 3. 14. Okay.
14.
14.
Okay, it is 14. Then 63 divided by 3.
21.
21. Then 105 divided by 3.
14.
35.
35.
35.
35.
35.
35. So do we still have any other number that can be
7.
7? Okay.
Yes.
7. So 14 divided by 7.
2.
2.
21 divided by 7.
3.
3.
Okay. 35 divided by 7.
5.
5. So what will
5.
our highest common factor be?
21.
Would be 3 multiplied by
Times 7.
7.
7.
And
1.
this gives
21.
us
21.
21.
21.
Thank you so much. So we are going to do number 3 as our assignment after the lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
We are going to add it on the assignments. Okay, so let's continue. So we now go to the least common multiple, or what all of us know as the LCM. So likewise here, we begin by listing the multiples of a number of numbers. So we are saying consider multiples of 3 and 4. So who can list for us the first 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples, put up your hands by show of hands. Mary, you are not seeing the screen,
Yes.
even up to now.
Yes.
Are others able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So Mary. Sorry about that, Mary. Have you now seen it?
No.
No.
No, she's seeing it now.
She's seeing it. Okay. Okay. Esther, what is your answer? Esther?
3, 6, yes.
Yes.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 27, 21, 24, 27, and 30.
And 30. Thank you. Miracle. Chitibwache. Oh, you have the same answers. Okay.
It's the same.
They are the same. So me had given the first 12. So from 3 up to 36. So who can list for us the multiples of 4? The first 10 multiples of 4. Mary?
4,
Yes.
8, 12, 6, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Okay, thank you. Okay, others, do we have the same answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we are now going to identify the ones that are common in both of our sets. So which numbers are common in both? Chitibwache? You can put your hand up.
There's 12, 24,
Yes.
36.
Yes. Okay. Any other answer which is different from his?
No.
Okay.
No.
So the common multiples are 12, 24, and 36. So what is the least or the lowest among these common multiples?
12.
12.
12.
12.
12. Okay.
No.
So we shall conclude and say our LCM is what? Is 12. Okay. Now let's continue. So we are saying there is another method used to determine the LCM of numbers without first listing the numbers. So that method is also the same as the ladder method. So we are going to see how we can use the ladder method to sort of So example, find LCM of 8 and 12. So we are going to draw our ladder like that, and we write our numbers 8 and 12. So what shall we begin by dividing?
2.
By 2.
Okay, 8 divided by 2 gives us
4.
4. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. So I think we again divide by 2 because 4 is divisible by 2 and 6 is also divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us
2.
2. 6 divided by 2 gives us
3.
6 divided by 2? 3. So do we still have numbers divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so we are going to still divide by 2.
1.
That will give us. So is 3 divisible by 2?
No.
No.
No. So we again write it there. And now we can no longer divide by 2. So which number are we going to divide it by?
3.
3 by what?
3.
3 divided. By, so we're going to
Divide by 3.
divide that by 3, such that we get the 1 and the what?
3.
Saying wait. It is not only you. I see there's someone who are complaining. I can't see your screen. I can't see your screen. You have to find where you can also write.
Sorry about my internet. So this is where we had stopped. Okay. So we are saying LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if we do the grouping, that is 2 times 2 and then 2 times 3. So the 2 times 2 would give us 4 times 6, and our LCM would give us a 12. So we can say therefore the LCM is 8 and 12 is 24. So still we can do this using the ladder problem, using the ladder method. So let us do one, then you'll add to the second one to the assignments. So we draw our ladder. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, Betty. So when we draw, so we shall have 28 and then 42 and then 98. So what shall we begin by dividing?
2.
2. So 28 divided by 2 gives us
14.
Then this gives us 21. Then here we get
49.
we get 49. So because we still have a number divisible by 2?
Yes.
Okay, so we shall still divide by 2, and this will give us
7.
7. This is not divisible by 2, and this one also not divisible by 2. So are they still divisible by 2? 7. So before we go to 7, isn't there another number which 3? So this will remain 7. 21 divided by 3 will give us
7.
7. 49 divided by 3?
7. 49 divided
by 3 doesn't give us 7.
Yes.
It's impossible.
It's simple.
Okay, so we write it. Then here we are going to divide by
7.
7. So this will give us 1.
7.
And here 49 divided by 7?
7.
7. So we again divide by 7. And this will be 1. 1
And 1.
So we shall say our LC is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times another 7. So 2 times 2 gives us
588.
Everything gives us 500.
588.
588 as our LC what? LCM.
No.
Okay. So we are going to do this number 2. We shall add it to our assignments. Okay.
Yes.
Are there some questions for me?
No, I don't have a question.
So there is your exercise, so which you are going to do. Okay. But you might not copy it now because I'm going to send you this work on the WhatsApp group. But you are going to find the LCM of the following numbers: 14 and 21, and the rest. So therefore, so you add the others 2, so they become 6. Otherwise, thank you for the lesson. So in case you wish to subscribe to our online, you're welcome. But let me first say something. Then our online classes, apart from these free ones, are 500,000 per year, which includes the student-teacher interaction, like the one we are holding, access to subjects and content on the Yaka network. Then, in case you want to download the subject,
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you're
Thank you.
welcome. You go home. Go. Go.
Thanks for teaching, teacher.